I noticed we had 8 months out.
Yeah.
Hi. Come on, come on.
Approaching on Gamon, Gamon.
Okay,
Approaching on Bond.
come up, Mr. Gamon. I'm now going to test you twice a week to make sure that you're not using. Every time you test positive, right back into jail you go. Do you understand me?
Yes.
No means no. I don't care what you're doing. I don't care whose party it is. You use every single time. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So we'll just give you a normal reset. Well, he'll have to come test twice a week. So we know he's not using. And then after that, we'll give you like a 30-day reset. Okay. All right. Please. That way.
Judge, Monday, Thursday,
Yep.
so tomorrow.
Yes.
Yeah, we screen that would pass.
March.
Yeah, the
All right, Judge, we have one. Whenever you're ready.
Okay.
Okay, that's what I should see.
And tomorrow is house or monitor. I'm sorry, 8-9. Okay. Yeah.
That's all.
All conditions will stay. And judges are doing. You want us to do something?
All Monday.
Okay, 13. Roxana, were you done? Okay. All right, there you go. Paper note. So they hold it. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Page 6, Dever. Come on up.
Come up.
And right here. Yes, sir.
Good morning, Mr. Dever.
How you doing?
So you're charged with interference with the duties of a public servant. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you, sir.
On February 24th, officers observed a motor vehicle without a front license plate. They did a traffic stop. Upon approach, they smelled the odor of marijuana, identified the driver as Mr. Dever. He had 3 other males in the car. Officers observed, advised Mr. Dever of the probable cause search. He refused the search. Officers then advised they would forcibly remove Mr. Dever from the vehicle. In an attempt to remove him, he fenced his body, making it difficult to extract him from the vehicle. Officers located the last 5 marijuana residual.
So just the fact that he's,
Resisting, attempting not to be removed, so the officers cannot search the car.
does he have a license to drive?
It always takes so long, Your Honor. These are any developments.
Okay, Mr. Dever, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. I'm not putting any conditions on your bond. Just if you want to drive, have a license, and you must have liability insurance in your name. That is the only condition. If you want to drive, you have to do it legally. You need a license, and then you need insurance. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right.
But I do that.
Okay, but you still need insurance. If you don't have it, that is also a condition. Do not drive. If you pick up a new case, if you're a danger to my community, you violate these conditions, I'm going to revoke your bond. I'm going to put you in jail. No more PR bonds. Do you understand? Do you have the ability to hire a lawyer?
No,
What do you do for a living?
contract, I just get hired for our jobs here and there.
How do you support? So what kind of money do you make a month?
Can we tell you off the top? Top of my head.
So how do you pay for things?
I work.
I need to know how much money you make to see whether you qualify for an appointed lawyer.
Say about maybe 700 a week.
Okay. And who do you live with? Do you have any children? Do you pay any support? What do you, tell me about yourself?
Child support. I do have a woman I live with and 5 kids as well.
You've got 5 kids.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm going to have you, deputy's going to give you an application for an appointed lawyer. No more using. Do you understand? You must get a full-time job. You don't get to just have everyone else pay for you and you get to sit at home and play Xbox all day. It's time to get a full-time job. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, deputy's going to give you an application. I'm going to have you sign a receipt and then we'll have you take a seat in the jury box.
Can I give you a case number?
Sure, done, ready.
2608-067.
Mr. Kayetta, is this your guy?
It is, Judge. He is in the
Anita.
hallway with the bondsman. Would you like me to get him?
Just him, not the bondsman. Who else are we waiting on? What other lawyer?
Top of 3, we're waiting on Johnson, and top of 9, we're waiting on Littett.
Think we'll need a translator on 9. Coming up, sir. So just last name, sorry. Yeah, all right. Good morning, Mr. Quintanilla.
One, sir.
So you're charged with assault causing bodily injury. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay. On January 1st, 2026, at about 2 a.m, officer dispatched to meet firefighter call in her car on Carolina Street. Complaining witness stated he was being treated for injuries the complaining witness was being treated for injuries to his head. He reported that he was assaulted by 2 men and didn't remember a lot of it. A witness, Ms. Woodruff, stated that she saw the incident and she identified the first person as Mr. Quintanilla. Quintanilla had lunged at complaining witness and punched and planted in the face. Repeatedly, the second person was identified as Mr. Metcalf, who had struck the complainant with a glass bottle. Follow-up interview with the complainant stated he was at the event, which was a happy hour oil and gas conference, and was in a brief conversation with both defendants. He confirmed the assault. He confirmed that he felt pain. Officers took photos of his injuries to his face. He didn't remember a lot of the assault. He did feel uncomfortable after talking with the defendants. The officers also followed up with Ms. Woodruff, who gave the names of Ms. Hall, Ms. Ramos, and Ms. Morales, who were also witnesses. The officers then spoke with Ms. Morales, who provided that Mr. Quintanilla was in a cowboy hat, and he was accompanied by another male. And Morales said that she saw the defendant strike the complainant repeatedly with fists, and then afterwards, Mr. Metcalf, who was the other defendant, was in a cowboy hat and then struck him in the face with a glass bottle. Mr. Clemens, who's a third witness, who's employed who employed the two defendants at the time, was able to provide full names, contact numbers of both of the defendants.
So they saw the two hit the
Yes,
other
sir.
person. Okay, and this is at a bar?
Yes, sir.
Got it. So what about the co-defendant? What, do you have a cause number for that by chance? And did the complaining witness go to the hospital?
Mr. Year?
Did the complaining witness go to the hospital hit with a bottle?
From the DIMS, I can't tell if he went to the hospital. I know he was checked out by EMS. Yeah. Mr. Metcalf is cause number is 2600066.
Okay, he's in here too. Okay. All right, so Mr. Quintanilla, I'm going to find that there's sufficient probable cause to go forward with your case. As a condition of your bond, I'm ordering you not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs, or unprescribed controlled medication. I'm going to randomly test you. If I find that you're using, I will lock you up, put you in jail. There will be no more PR bonds for you. This is not a revolving door. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to protect my community at all costs. If I have to throw you in there and make your bond extremely high, as much as I like him, I don't care. I'm going to do it in a heartbeat. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
You are not to hang out or have any contact with the co-defendant in this case, with the complaining witness in this case. And like I said, no weapons and no going back to this place. Do you understand? Do you see any prior criminal history at all, Logan? And then what's your position on a PR bond?
A burglary of a building from 1996.
Say it again.
A burglary of a building from 1996. Injury to a child in 1997. The city said those. He'd be maybe at my heart at that time. He's 44 now. Criminal mischief in 1999.
I'm just concerned about anything
Yeah.
recent. I don't care about stuff 20 years ago.
Self-family member was dismissed in 2020 or 2002. Saw public servant in 2004, which was revoked to TDC time, 2 years.
Wow, really? There are some people, when they consume alcohol, they become the life of the party. And then there are those that when they consume alcohol, they become the devil incarnate. Which one is you? It's a rhetorical question, not one that you need to answer, but one that you need to think about every time you put something up to your lips. Do you understand, Mr. Quintanilla? Don't use alcohol at all. Do you understand me? So are you okay with the PR bond?
I know you're not. The city would ask for $5,000, Your Honor.
Judge, we'll leave it up to you. We request PR bond.
When was that last trip?
24, I believe.
In 2024.
No, 04, I'm sorry. I believe.
It was 2004 is the last criminal charge.
I'm going to grant you a PR bond, Mr. Quintanilla, but like I said, this is not a revolving door. You pick up another case, you endanger my community. It's just really not going to go well for you. Do you understand? Because you have a lawyer, I will waive your appearance. It is your responsibility to stay in touch with Mr. Kayada. If he tells me he cannot get a hold of you because you're ducking and dodging and playing games, I will issue a warrant for your arrest.
Yes, sir.
For now, I'm going to have you go to Victoria Sign and Reset. You're going to get Roxana for your bond conditions and the PR bond. And after that, you guys are on.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
So I will set the bond at 5,000, but I'll grant the PR bond.
All right.
So,
Thank
okay,
you.
thanks, guys.
How is
We did start off at another 50 minutes.
Oh, right. Thank
It's
you.
5,001, right?
No, just 5,000. It's a new case. Yes.
Your file.
Yeah.
Your attention.
Thank you for that.
Yeah.
Oh, I saw Mr. Whitehead. Vic? Saw Mr. Whitehead.
It's probably talking to.
Okay. I didn't know. It's a very good. She's a good person. And they sent her pieces, so like, you know, about how much days they use. That's why I think
Appreciate it, guys.
Of course, how are you? Good to see you. How are things important? Hey, I'm live streaming for the, by the way.
Okay.
How's Covenda? It'll be interesting. I saw what happened last night, so. Shake up, that's for sure.
Very disappointed. Something solid.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Oh, did, what happened with it? O'Neill? Very well. I don't think, you look, where can you look? Is there like Harris has Harris vote? Is there like before then votes too?
It's something similar. I don't,
Oh, I mean, I can Google it. It's not a big deal.
I don't remember what it is. They're not that clever. You have to go through the, so. So. Don't you want to be? One. Don't.
Okay. Council on, are you ready?
Yeah.
I'll agree. Aaron, come on up.
Hey, can you help me out? Please. Yes, please. Good morning, Mr. Cairns.
More quietly.
Sir, you were charged with disorderly conduct. I think it's displaying a firearm. You were facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you, sir. Okay, good morning.
Good morning. On August 19th, 2024, officer was dispatched to a weapons disturbance call on St. Houston Parkway, a public place in Pierce County, Texas. Complainant stated defendant's vehicle cut him off after being unable to safely merge into complainant's lane. Complainant stated after being cut off, defendant lowered his driver's side window and displayed a firearm. Officer ran the Texas license plate for defendant's vehicle and found defendant's identification and photo. Complainant confirmed the defendant was a driver and provided dash cam depicting defendant lowering the window and displaying the firearm. Defendant was identified by his Texas driver.
So there is a video that actually shows him.
Yes, Your Honor. So the complainant had a dash cam video depicting defendant displayed the firearm.
I think there might be something wrong. Can you take a look at this? I'm showing that it's been dismissed. but-
Judge,
Yeah.
Yes.
if I may, I would also submit to the court, and this may be more appropriate for a suppression hearing later. But I believe whenever they do a photo array, they're supposed to use an array and not just a driver's license photo. They have to use a non-suggestive lineup.
Well, I don't know that, yeah, I mean, I think I'm more inclined as far as that is concerned.
For suppression. hearing.
You're right. I mean, more than likely, it's like when they bring someone back to the scene to identify, just for identification purposes. And, yeah,
Bernadette dismissed.
okay. Regardless, it's been dismissed.
It has been dismissed?
Yeah.
Oh, wonderful. Thank you, Judge.
Be very careful. You know what I mean? Really. I mean, don't we have enough death on our streets as it is? Really? Just don't say anything. Just please be careful. Life's way too short.
Thank you.
Please.
Appreciate it.
Yes.
Okay. Hi. What's up? Hey, well, let's go.
Okay, yes, sir.
Maybe. Yeah.
Court, come over, remain seated.
Hi,
Good morning.
just last name, please.
Lovejoy.
Lovejoy. Okay.
Quiet.
We were here on C-17 for Ms. Lovejoy. This is the one that had outstanding evidence. We said that if it wasn't in today, then none of it was coming in. There's still outstanding 911 calls. The state says that they asked us for a phone number, but the phone number is off this report, so I don't think that would have been a barrier to them getting a 911 call. Additionally, there was body cam missing from our client going in making a report that we have.
So I have a note, Judge, on February 17th, that the defense counsel asked for 911 for a client. She was gonna submit the phone number so that we can request that. We submitted a request for 911 and 911 came back and said that they don't have anything unless we have a specific telephone number. She was going to give us that. That's what my note on February 17th. She was also asking for some medical records and some EMS records, which we do not have yet.
And again, Judge, even if they did ask us for a phone number, it's in the offense report that we all have access to. They could just look at the offense report and get the phone number.
Right. I mean, it's not,
Okay, I mean, if we don't have that, then I understand that that wouldn't come in because we don't have it by today's date.
Outside of that, even if they asked for it on February 17th, it's like our legislative so.
well, I'm with you. We're on the same page.
Yeah, I don't disagree.
I don't think she's disagreeing. I think whatever's not in now, just is not gonna come in.
Okay, well, the state made an offer this morning and I'm pretty sure my client isn't gonna take, she's not here today.
Okay,
I'm gonna,
she's supposed to be here.
let me call and see where she is, Judge.
No. It's waived, but at this day as far as how old it is. Do you know that she just wants to set it for trial anyways?
I'm pretty sure that's what she wanted it dismissed. We asked for a PTI, they made a 15-month deferred offer today and we did not.
Sure, I mean, well, that's between you guys, but I mean, I don't want to delay the inevitable, so if that's what you guys are gonna do, let's just set it, you know? And, I mean, we'll go from there.
Okay, so
Just beware that, you know, whatever is coming in now after, just so I don't. you
Sure,
know,
and I think that's evidence that the defense wanted, so.
that's fine, then I think you
Sure.
still have a great case with what we do. that.
Yeah, okay. yeah,
Okay, thank you.
Yes, ma'am. And for what it's worth, I don't care about the date, whatever you want, just it needs to be at least 30 days out, give them enough time, just, but whatever you want.
Thank you.
Hi,
Good morning, Your Honor.
good morning.
I'm here from last week.
Okay.
In our discussion about judicial findings.
Okay,
I believe state is ready to. If you like.
please.
On the multiple.
Brenda, did you see this?
I have no idea, no.
Here, let me show it to you. See.
You have it. Which.
No, I have to give it to you. Oh, let me give you the cause number. It's in deeds. You're
Oh,
right.
it's not that one.
It's up there.
Hold on, I'm sorry. I'm not ready for all that. Give me a second. 260.
0436. Really, I'm doing this for his future immigration attorney, but it's no.
Sure, of
Oh,
course.
okay, I'm getting to remember this. Okay. Okay,
Do you need a second?
yes. Can you give me just a second? I mainly because 4 days have passed since then. Let me just get Farwell to refresh my memory on what. we
Take your time.
discussed.
No rush.
I think I remember off the top of my head, but.
No worries. I'll come back.
Yeah, let me do this arraignment real quick as well.
Thank you.
too. Sure.
This is what.
Okay.
He said this is.
Yes, okay, I remember all. Sorry, I didn't have the words at the top of my. Okay, let me read the email he sent real quick. But oh, okay.
So I take you ready?
Yes, Judge.
Come on up.
Judge, I have an arraignment, Armando, Quintero.
Just last name, please.
Galvan.
Okay. Galvan, come up.
I think it's under Galvan, but.
Good morning, Mr. Galvan.
Morning.
Sir, you were charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you.
On February 25th, 2026, at around 2 a.m., officer in Harris County, Texas, observed a vehicle travel in both lanes, failed to maintain a single lane and drift between the lanes without signaling. A traffic stop was conducted. The defendant, the driver, had a strong odor of alcoholic beverage. An officer observed six 12 fluid ounce Shiner Bock beers inside the motor vehicle on the floorboard of the front passenger seat. Officer observed red glossy eyes, slurred speech, and unsteady balance. Standard field sobriety tests were conducted. 6/6 HGN and defendant refused walking shirt and one-leg fan. DIC was read. Defendant refused to provide a sample. A blood search warrant was executed. And his driver's license is eligible, Your Honor.
What was the PC for the stop?
So officer observed the vehicle travel in both lanes 1 and 2 of the roadway, failing to maintain single.
Okay, so he's in two actual different lanes, because you said earlier he was weaving within the lane. But if he's in two different lanes, that's a big, it's a
Maybe
huge
traveling
difference.
in both lanes 1 and 2, failing
Got
to
it.
maintain a single lane
All right.
and for it to be.
Mr. Galvan, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. I would venture a guess that it's damn elementary that you're not to have alcohol in the car while you're driving, and it's a minimum 6 days in jail flat. Any sentence you get if they prove At trial, it's an open container. I am now ordering you not to drive any vehicle that's not equipped with an ignition interlock on it. If I find that you drive a vehicle that doesn't have an interlock, I will revoke your bond, put you in jail. No more bonds for you. Do you understand me? You are not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs. You will be tested for that as well. If I find that you're using illegal drugs, likewise, into jail you go. If I find that you pick up a new case or you are a danger to my city, I only have one place for you. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
Any prior to DPIs?
No prior to.
Okay, you are not allowed to drive unless you have a valid license and you must maintain liability insurance in your name. If you do not have car insurance, then likewise, there is no driving. That is also a condition of your bond. Do you understand?
Yes.
Victoria, do you mind filing the guardian interlock paperwork, please, with DPS? Because you have a lawyer, I will waive your appearance, but it is your responsibility to stay in touch with Mr. Wytek. If he tells me he cannot get a hold of you because you're ducking and dodging, I will issue a warrant for your arrest. There are no more PR bonds for you. Do you understand?
Yes.
This is not a revolving door. I'm going to have you sign a reset. You'll get with Roxanna for your own conditions, and after that, you're free to go.
Thank you.
Thanks. Hey,
Really good. I have all that big motion for you. It's on Alejandro Gonzalez. It should be in your queue.
Just-
It's set for trial. It's just a blood. It's the one.
sure, I'll sign it.
Okay, thank
Okay.
you.
All right, let's have a signature.
Thank you for some.
You got in?
She has done this. So she doesn't know what's all. So we go on Saturdays, I go in to sit all here. So my husband doesn't talk for 5 years. Oh, seriously?
Yes.
Who's this? I mean, she was, I don't. I heard that. She was so one. For more time. You have to ask me this. It's been active forever. Yes, so that's Alex. So Alex is here. So, yes. And so there's like, oh, it's like, I just. She's. Could you about to say it was? It was. Yeah. Okay. Come on. Okay, I was gonna say, I don't know. Oh, I asked that to you guys. First of all, she did, and I knew she did, but it was kind of difficult. So she's on the list, so she must not provide what she does. Now, and she's singing and not singing. I mean, singing with all four I was just. We don't see. Yeah.
But if she was,
Yeah, I feel the exact same way. I feel like mine, and mine was a background. Yours is right up front.
Yeah.
I love it.
Yeah.
I love that they were really so late in high school when I did. Right. Oh, that's perfect. Yeah.
It was just.
On yours.
Okay.
No. Yes, sir. Yeah, we can't waive it. He threw out. He's got it.
He's got the class. He's sort of.
I don't know if it's.
Lindsay, so, yeah, Bernadette, or for whoever, okay. I'm sorry to be the bearer of bad news, but let me read this last one to you. It says here, what you want me to sign here, it says defendant is still legally innocent of the charge of assault of a family member. How can I find him legally innocent? Number one. Number two, the state still, even though they're dismissing the case, has the ability and the option to refile it within the statute of limitations. So I think it would be serious error on my part, especially not knowing anything about the case. It's not gone to a jury, or am I invading that province?
The last one is intended to just restate the presumption of innocence, but we can cross it out.
Well, but no, but it's asking me to find him legally innocent,
Well,
right?
at
And
the moment, that's the thing that immigration courts tend to misunderstand. Because what this.
It's been dismissed, doesn't mean he's innocent. It's just been dismissed. They exercise their power to dismiss. That
Does
doesn't,
mean that he's innocent?
I don't think so. I
Until
think,
guilty?
I wouldn't think, I would think if he's found not guilty, then he's found not guilty, and then he's been acquitted.
Right,
Here, it's just been dismissed.
but he's
You know.
not convicted.
No, of course not. He's not
If we scratch
convicted.
out the last one, would the other two work? Because. it's
I
really
think
just
the other
clear
two
rules.
are just procedural,
Exactly.
you know, and
Which the immigration courts do not understand.
and then not only that, but would it hurt him more so in the felony case upstairs if I were to sign this? The second one. Meaning, I were to sign this and, you know, if he gets in punishment, he goes, look, even the lawyer says that, you know, he didn't do anything. He didn't challenge it. He could have. I don't know. I just,
The purpose of these findings is to explain the procedural impact of the dismissal order, which is none. But the problem is that an outside court looking at the dismissal order thinks that it has a lot to do with all the proceedings all tied together. We know that it's just a paper dismissal case, but I don't like that it looks like a finding already.
I think that we definitely take, we gotta take the third one out,
Okay.
100%. And then on the other two, I don't know. I need to, I don't know what kind of impact it'll have on me. If any. So, I've reached out to my staff lawyer. I have not gotten a hold of him. I need to talk with him more.
He will be in jail for a long time, I'm sure.
Sure.
Still on the felony.
I
I can
guess,
come back in a month.
no, a week. And I'll send it to him now. But I'm definitely gonna take that one out and then I just want to CYA for me.
Can I, e-file an amended version that
Sure, yes, I
has
would,
not been, found guilty?
I mean, you can, whatever you want,
Okay.
and then we can always amend it, I guess.
Sounds good.
Yeah,
And
okay,
I do want to say the state has discretion to dismiss a case for,
sure.
I was gonna take that note as well, right?
Yeah, of course.
Before we read through.
Yeah. Oh, right, of course. Okay,
So that's on that one. I actually have another one. It's also trial related.
okay.
Except for trial, this is on arsenal.
Just the last name, please.
Exactly. The,
It's on the trial docket today?
no, it's
Okay.
off topic. I'm
Okay.
trying to avoid the file.
What's your cost number?
The cause number is 259-9059. I think that there is still some evidence missing. I was wondering if we could just make it a regular. There are two things missing.
That's a problem because we are set for trial and you're still missing evidence. How did it get set when we're missing?
Good question. I can tell you.
Okay,
In the body cams and the documentation of the offense, the arresting officer mentions and says that he reviews other body cam footage in making his report. I wanted to see the other body cam footage, so I didn't know it existed because it was only together. So it's additional body cam footage from a different day. There's that. And then the
do
second.
they have that? Do they, if they have that?
I assume they have it because the guy had to look at it and.
And I was just made aware of it. I'm gonna reach out to our admin and see if we can get that on your honor.
I mean, the case isn't that old.
Right. They thought that all of the evidence was in because there were lots of body cams in the file, but not one of them was from the prior incident. Apparently, Your Honor, the officer.
I'm okay. It's not an old case, right?
Right, no,
Then okay.
okay.
I don't have a problem with it. Of course. Yeah, and I don't care what date you want. I mean, the case is only what, like,
Few weeks later.
yeah, it's not even a month. old. Right, whatever
Thank
you
you
want.
very much.
The Genesis of the L is supposed to be today, but it's not, but it's okay.
Okay.
Mr. Bland's.
Hi, Corey.
And everything's in order. It's on probation.
Just last name, please. Okay,
Thank you, Jay.
This case was also recently filed. We got an interim kind of a short reset. I believe,
I remember which case.
Yes.
Yes.
I'd like to ask the court again to see if we amend the bond conditions and the my client's wife, the other mother of the complainant, sent a letter to the district attorney's office through me, explaining how my client is needed in the home for parenting and the order of the house and for her employment, and to also help my client's wife. She has a lot of medical issues, autoimmune disorders. She's had recent surgeries. My client has also completed a parenting class that was ordered by the magistrate. CPS is ruled out. They are.
That makes, that CPS has like, what I was thinking, and because I was thinking about this
Yeah.
a while ago. Can I appoint an ad litem for the child? Because I think that that's probably in the best interest of the child, considering what the nature of the allegations, what they are,
Yeah.
to ensure I'm okay, but I want to ensure that the child is okay, no issues. If should any issues arise,
Yeah.
that the child knows how to get a hold of someone, and so they can just,
I think it's great.
so what I'd like to do is appoint an ad litem. I just don't know how to do that. Because it's a first for here in family court, just all day, right? So let me thin out the line and then let me call.
I had just one other case on.
Okay, sure.
Mr. Arujo. Why
In jail or in bond?
on bond, it is getting.
What was the last name?
ARA.
I don't see that. Is it under a different?
It's on- we're on the office. I'm mistaken. I'm in the wrong court for
Oh,
that.
okay.
You bet.
Hey,
Yeah,
Owen,
Judge
just the last name, please.
Coleman. Judge, that is a gun case. We went on to the pretrial diversion, but it had a $30 payment that I wasn't aware of. We have done the class, but they won't waive the $30 fee. If you'll let me carry this case till tomorrow, he'll bring me a $30 money order.
Sure.
Today, I'll get it paid and.
Okay, not a problem. You're good. Not a problem.
All right, can I waive his appearance?
If it's paid, if it's
Well,
not
sure.
paid, he's gotta be.
He's gonna bring it tonight, I'll pay it tomorrow morning.
Okay, great. I'm gonna waive it. If it's paid, if it's not paid, he's gonna be here. Okay, Hey. please. Just last name,
It's,
okay?
Pratt, doing the cause.
Is it a new case?
No, it's a investigation. She's,
What's the last name? I mean, what's the cause number?
257.
Okay.
7912. She's scheduled to go into the PTI program. We yet to have a contract. They've been reaching out to their complainant, trying to get restitution information as a result of the accident. They haven't been able to do that. I talked to her this morning. She said, give us a week to see if we can figure it out. Otherwise, we'll just generate a contract about restitution. That's what we just don't have a contract.
So is that in the notes?
The,
In 1 week, if no restitution by the week, then, okay, and that means out of pocket, not, I'm gonna send you
Yes.
like an estimate and, yeah, okay, sure, 1 week.
I'm out next week. My daughter's having surgery next week, so I gotta get better. So if we could just get to that following, Monday or Tuesday.
I mean, let me see how old the case is, because I have Zoom so that you can zoom in,
I'll zoom in. That's.
right? That make everybody's life easier. To pick a day next week, I don't care.
Did she
Zoom in.
Well, I don't think. we'll-
No, I don't need her to zoom.
Okay, yeah.
I mean, we just needed to get the
Works.
contract. She's done the TRAS.
She's done 2 months.
Great,
Yeah,
because
she's
all
done
we need is
everything.
you to get the
Yeah,
contract. Once you get the contract, we'll give you 2 weeks to get everything done. You literally
Thanks.
pop in 2 minutes and out.
You got, thanks, that.
Yeah.
council reset?
Hi,
Judge, may I approach?
just last name, please.
Quiet, please.
Ramos.
Beautiful. And
Judge, this is the client that was rolled over from Monday. He's got the DWI. He has a PDR, but they need to get the eviction in Iraq. He said he didn't get that because he was transferred to an ICE detention facility.
oh, right. Did you get a hold of him?
So no, I did not know. He was never monitored by three calls. His number if we monitored by three calls, which is, was transferred to an ICE detention facility. I spoke to the state because I think the facts of this case were warrant dismissal. They said they would just be 2 weeks.
No. I mean, he's gone. I don't know when he's gonna come back. If they're gonna dismiss it, they'll dismiss it.
Yeah.
But I don't want to just keep the can down the road. But just stay on top of it and then hopefully in 2 weeks.
Okay, so he's on docket today. I mean, we just get that one final, and if they don't dismiss it, I understand that they will be issued, that's it, whatever. So the case is shouldn't be that. Until he comes back and that. But I do believe that this one is.
How do you know he's deported?
So.
Do you have proof?
So, okay, so I attended, I have my notes on it. I was appointed to this case, I believe on 2/17. I tried visiting him on 2/19. When I went to visit him. Let me go back.
Council reset?
When I attempted to visit him in custody, I was told by one of the friends officers downstairs that he had all of it picked up. The ice bowl was with this, in my experience, they've been able to do that. If ice has picked up. Yeah.
Why?
Attempted to visit him at 400 Baycott 219. I spoke to a corrections officer. He was no longer investigating that.
I mean, I'll give you one final week. But I mean, there's no need for them to get 2 weeks. I mean,
I agree, like I said, I go with the school insurance, just in the event I come back, I think. Bring the leader. Case, these are Brad, cases like 0.08.
all right, I'll give you one final week, okay? All right.
Thank you, Judge.
Who's that?
Yo, pull up fast.
He's a felony warrant. Let's just do it. There's no sense in waiting. Shit. Yes.
Quiet, please. No.
Hey, Farwa, can I borrow you for a second? Can I borrow you real quick? Good morning, Mr. Washington. Sir, you're charged with possession of a controlled substance. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. The reason we put you in the box is you're on deferred for an aggravated robbery, and it looks like they have filed a motion to revoke. So you're bond denied at that point. So I have to take you into custody today, regardless of what happens, but we're still going to do probable cause.
On February 25th, 2026, in Harris County, Texas, officer was conducting an operation at an apartment complex known for gang activity and narcotics trafficking. Officers observed defendant enter into the front passenger seat of the vehicle with the handgun sticking out of his pants pockets, not in a holster. Officer conducted a traffic stop on the vehicle with an expired registration and having no front license plate. Officer detected a strong odor of marijuana coming from inside the vehicle and observed defendant not wearing a seatbelt. Defendant was placed under arrest for not wearing a seatbelt, and a search of the defendant resulted in officer locating a tin container that contained several Xanax pills. Inside defendant's crossbody bag, officer also located a handgun that was reported stolen. Defendant stated the handgun and narcotics belonged to him and that he did not have a prescription for the drugs. The weight of the drugs is 0.44 grams.
Mr. Washington, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. As a condition of your bond, you were ordered not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs, or unprescribed controlled medication. I'm going to randomly test you. If I find that you're using alcohol or illegal drugs, I will revoke your bond, put you in jail. This is not a revolving door. There are no more PR bonds for you. Do you understand? I'm going to put an ankle monitor on you, and I'm putting a curfew because I don't want you out in the middle of the night. You go out in the middle of the night, likewise, it's just not going to go well for you. If I find that you have a stop, there's nothing that you can say at this point that's going to make any kind of difference. The only other thing I want you to understand is I'm going to have you sign an affidavit with me today, promising me that you're not going to be in possession of any weapons. You do. It's really not going to go well for you. Do you understand me? So for now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to appoint you a lawyer, and then we'll take you back into custody. And then I'm going to we need him to sign here momentarily until she's done. All right.
So I from custody, I will be coming back in for
Yeah, because I need you to sign everything. Give me a second. Oh.
Yeah.
Look how big I put that. No weapons. Okay, ready?
Yes, Judge, how are you?
Just last name, please. Okay, okay.
You're on the last time we were here, you told me to bring him so we could walk with TRS, he's here to do that.
Great. Okay. Everything's in though?
Everything's in, just waiting on the decision.
Got it.
Judge, he is gonna be gone within the next 21 days, so he has offshore work, so that he can just get us today, but tomorrow he's leaving for 21 days.
So hopefully, I guess by the next time he comes, he'll have everything done.
Yes.
Okay.
That's the hope, but I do want to, you do have, doing call ins. We're having him check, he's gonna be offshore. in the next 21 days.
Do we have proof of that? Do we know? Has he provided? Do we know?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, we'll send him off 3 weeks and then we'll send it to the TRS today. Okay. Whoa. They need to swear him. Roxanna, 7-7.
It's not.
Today.
Oh. I said that. All right, you're gonna sign just
This is.
Oh, I'm sorry. I don't know.
Yes. We have. Okay, I'm gonna have her. I know I'm gonna be doing it. But I need to. Cannot be sometimes. Okay.
Never sure.
One of those days. What I have is April 8th or 9th. I don't know if it's wrong. Are not due. How does she do
We did it.
Council for reset. So there's one, two, it's in the middle. Okay, so how can we on? I can't be born. You'll get a required insurance. I got him to sign a thing, he said earlier, so he told me. And joined the step. So you know, problem of the science response. Did you check? Oh. I think we'll want to. She's really, we can say her.
Change this from.
No, I mean, today we have some.
Short sound.
So you got. They don't see. Oh.
Right, that's kind of.
That. You were predicting for things that you were predicting.
Yeah.
This is why. Somebody else. But then just got. So I just hear. I don't think it was the same. So I
Yes.
Oh, you're gonna be for a second. Warrant services. And so I'm not going over. I think we just don't write the night, and I just kind of read through it. How much? And go with the judge. Some kids don't. And maybe some. No, we haven't. Yeah, I don't know. I just give them. It's what. Okay. I think when I live as money and people that and did it. There's something. It's fine. I think it's gonna. Yeah. I don't say. Yes. No, I just can't. I just got it from the.
This is the one.
Yes. Yeah. Oh.
Usually I like this.
Well, I emailed it. And I feel okay.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay, 16 more people. Well, then. Yeah. I just had. And they take it back tonight.
Good one here. I was here to go together.
And two.
So this is. Yeah.
Oh, that's true. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, I was trying to. I said everybody's asking.
Everybody can benefit from us.
His looks like. It's okay to go to bed, so I'm telling that. Fleischer.
That is right now. Right.
Oh, you gotta go.
I do not know.
Johnson. They don't want Johnson.
You did not. So starting is also like a facility and stay. But I think they also.
Yeah.
Yes. So we're sorry.
Things that we do, I'm not sure. they already
Yeah.
I already did my reading.
And I had. Oh, yeah, I didn't. Well, then.
Okay.
No, I didn't want that. But can I do them with her then? Okay, see you after. And then I'll just.
It's a box, so you don't have to.
I think they can all off. I already told her what's on my.
Okay.
Thank you.
That's also the original.
You know what I mean? Like, I have more experience with it. I'm on the wrong track. I was on the real.
Is it Wes here today?
Yeah.
It's Wes. Wes. Okay. We'll have to little
The one else. Sorry, they were trying to use the other.
Problems with that. It's what is that? It's like a facility, a lockout facility.
So through that, so I've never had that mission. Just in time. I told Gavin, y'all should have to do the training so the government can learn everything properly. I'm not sure. So yes, I'm going to help us. I sent one of them to you. I do want to. I do want that extra.
They have. Yeah, usually we don't. Yeah.
But like. What is happening?
So, Showtime, Maria.
Hi, Maria. Please. Wait, it's hot outside. My goodness. Sweating like an animal. Just her, just last name. Just the last name, please, from now on. Okay. It's only 94 days.
Oh, okay.
I don't care till it gets old. Herrera. Yeah, it's only 94 days old, really. Yeah, not till it gets old. It's not. Hi,
Hey, good morning.
good morning.
Your Honor, I am here on Mr. Eduardo Garcia again
Okay.
from yesterday,
Okay,
and I got an employer to send you a schedule that he from 7 days a week from 6:30 in the evening to 6:30 in the morning. You want to prove before you were willing to change his hours, because right now he's, I think, 7 to 6:30, 7 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. And
okay.
so, gotta work, Judge.
I'm not saying it doesn't
okay.
work, but I want to make sure
Oh, yes, that's what.
that he's going from home to work, back home, not stopping at a bar, not stopping at the local tavern, not doing anything that's my concern. I don't care if it works. I just want the public safe. That's all I
I
care.
got you.
So,
He just needs 30 minutes before getting to work and 30 minutes.
so it's 6:30 in the morning,
That's what time he goes into work. So we can say.
6 in the morning. Okay.
6 to 6. 6:30 to 7.
Or no, it's 6 at night. You said it's at night.
Right. So if he can go work at.
Can you
6,
verify, can you reach out to the employer to verify that those are the actual hours that they work in the middle of the night? Please,
It says here 6:30 to 6:30. 18:30 to 6:30.
Right, okay. Do you mind providing that? We're gonna verify that, and then once we do that, then, so, but it's only Monday to Friday?
You would 7 days a week.
I don't believe that for a second. I'm not giving him 7 days a
She
week.
can verify, you later verify.
No one works 12 hours a day, 7 days a week.
They do good, I live in the port in Pasadena and Seabrook, all those chemical workers, they do shutdowns where they work 7/12, 7/10. And it tells you here, it's only for 3 weeks.
Okay,
It's not that.
can
long,
you,
just
can
for 3
you,
weeks.
so verify the exact time, the exact day, when is the contractor, when does the date end? At that point, we stop.
That sounds good.
No more. And then after that, no more. And we need to have a detailed log that he goes from point A to point B, no deviations whatsoever.
Let's say just 30 minutes.
Okay.
30 minutes should be.
Does he even have a license? And he's not allowed to drive. I don't know how he's getting there.
Oh, because he lives there, he doesn't, he just, somebody takes him there to the location, and they live 15 minutes from the location job. And then that's it, since for 7 days, he doesn't move, he doesn't have to drive.
Okay, so he's just telling me he lives there at the workplace?
Not at the workplace, but 15 minutes away, they gave him a per diem to live somewhere. And he said he only lives 15 minutes. from the
Can you
location.
find out all that info, please? Okay, we'll work with you, of course.
You're on my approach?
Yes. Hey, just last name, please.
Oh, just last name?
Just the last name. Who do you got?
Oh, okay, Freeman.
Got it. Oh,
Oh, I thought you were saying I should call you by your last name.
no.
Oh, shit.
Mr. Freeman in jail, Mr. Freeman?
Yes, Judge. He doesn't want to go to SADA.
That's okay.
Clinical TRAS, it's clinical TRAS you did, right?
Yes.
It was recommending SADA, Judge. Judge,
Sounds good to me.
well, Judge, could we just work it out to a year on plea true on the MRP and, because he's not willing to cooperate with SADA. Maybe we can have him brought out and you talk to the judge.
Can you, do you mind bringing out Mr. Freeman?
The only thing is just.
Always happy to
It's
talk to him.
difficult when we try to send people if they're not.
I'm gonna tell him now that if he goes, he's going. If he leaves, he's going to pick up a 3rd-degree felony, unauthorized absence from a correctional facility, and then now he'll be facing another 2 to 10.
You may just want his hearing instead, Judge. Kind of like-
Great, I'm still gonna sentence him on here. If he's found guilty, I'm still gonna do the hearing.
And you're gonna send him on the hearing or?
Uh-huh, correct.
Well, wouldn't he just get the maximum jail time if you wanted to do that? or
No.
actually-
Well, yeah, but I'll probate it for another,
Oh,
2
you keep
years.
him- You say you keep him on.
I'm not letting him go at all.
Okay.
No. I'm gonna keep him extremely close so we know
Okay.
that until he's no longer a danger.
Okay. So basically, if you request a hearing, your intention is to keep him on and then just send him to, okay. Well, I'm gonna talk to him about that. Because I think he was kind of thinking he'd rather just sit out his time if you'd let him do that.
It's not gonna happen. Nope. We tried that already. We've tried that multiple times and here we are with yet another DWI and another gun, just,
Because I never really thought about that, because I guess you could just extend him at the hearings. I've never really had a judge do that unless they're doing it to cut someone a break, but you could do it for that.
how many breaks have we cut, Mr. Freeman?
Yeah, and I'm not
You know what I
asking you to
mean?
cut them, but I'm just
Right.
kind of thinking about it, because I usually think of an MRP as when the judge is not happy with someone.
I'm not happy with
They
it
sentence them to jail time, but I guess you could not be happy with someone and extend their probation.
for 3 years.
Right. Well, I think he needs to hear it from you, Judge.
Happy to.
And congratulations, Judge, on your election victory.
Oh,
You know, you didn't have an opponent, but that's still a victory.
thank you.
And however you go on, I look at your calculations too. Did you?
Good morning, Mr. Freeman. How's jail? Wonderful. That makes me very happy because now working 1, 2, 3, 4, you're on probation for a 5th. While you're on probation, pick up a 6. Something's not working. And your lawyer is asking me, just put him in jail for a year. Let's just be done with this. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to hold you, and I can for the next 3 years. And I'm going to do it until it takes, because this system will not fail you. What we have planned is, because I told you at the beginning, I don't know how to go forward. We've got clinicians identified that an inpatient facility is the best thing that needs to happen. I tend to agree. That's what we'll do. So we can do it however you want to do it. We can do it willingly. We can do it. If you don't want to do it, it's going to happen. And let me be the bearer of more bad news for you. If you just get up and go, they may very well charge you with a 3rd-degree felony, unlawful absence from a correctional facility. And I'm telling you, if that were to happen, you'll get hit with another charge upstairs. This one, all the time gets told until that gets resolved, and then do it again. And we'll do it again and again until it takes. Do you understand? Right. I am on your side. I don't want to see anything bad happen to you. And I for damn sure don't want someone out there to die, because we have enough death on our streets. And I'm trying to do everything in my power to prevent it. And the facts that have been presented here are not good at all. It's really dangerous and it's very scary. So with all the jail time that we've done, all the probations, all this that we've done in the past, we've not been able to reach it. Now, I hope that we do. And we are going to continue until it does take. Do you understand? It comes from a place of love, Mr. Freeman. As much as you may hate me, I'm going to keep you until it takes. Okay? So you guys talk about it, but it's gonna happen. Okay? Thanks.
Talking, Judge, and I'm gonna talk to you.
Truly. Maria,
Yeah, we approached it on a different case.
just last name, please.
Negrete.
Okay?
And the blood was sent to the lab. They.
Where's Mr. Negrete now?
So
Where is he now?
my client.
Homeboy, he's got 2 open felony warrants.
Oh,
Let's see. I'm just now seeing it.
no.
Yeah, he's the aggravated assault and the evading in a motor vehicle. They're both in warrant status. So, yeah, so let's do this. Today's Wednesday. Pick a day next week. We're going to set him for bond forfeiture and let him know that he's got to be here. I'm not going to reset the case for a long time if he's got 2 open felony warrants.
Right.
So whatever day you want next week, I'm okay with, and he's got to be here. If he fails to appear, then we'll shoot another.
The 11th, which is a week from today.
Sure. Yeah, absolutely. So SFPF, please. Okay,
Thank you.
thank you. Hi.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Ms. Warren.
Estrada.
Estrada. Okay.
They got a lot of contract.
Did you get it?
Mr. Estrada's messing with DA, he has instructed to go get his money order now. Judge.
You want a week or something? Okay. Good stuff. Have fun. 1, right? 1 week. 1.
I've asked him to read 10.
Yeah. Okay. No, you're hearing things, man. Come on. You're hearing the wrong thing.
What's the first?
It looks like we get. Yeah.
What do you?
No. Well, no, I think my he's on bond. Looks like maybe, ballpark 14. Yeah, I mean, sure. That's a class A, that's been, class A, and yeah, I don't have it raised at this point. I think it's 3 for 1 credit, so. He does this every part. Yeah, she's not. Okay. Okay, I was like, it's like, I have this, and it's small, but I don't, it's free. I don't need it.
Temporary building is new.
No.
He's on probation.
Would help you with this. What's better than me?
And so, just once we go south, and you're basically send your sound. And you got the marshal, so you can send it to staff.
Okay.
So, yeah, we just use the new case and all. I was often for you to that. So I'm not here. If you read. 13 days before. And the videos. Just do that, so they've actually not making some good to be found. And let's say it doesn't need that additional charge.
Yeah, I'd be something to decide, I don't mind doing that.
Okay.
Oh, we-
The existence of the give me good status. They go.
Thank you.
Oh,
These days you can bump to them.
okay, so far.
What is the wait for Sabbath? What, 12 weeks?
It's all.
Oh, it looks like on the December, because of 2 weekends. But then this should be out of 2 week one, but then give it GOP. They should pay. No. Oh, the new January. You said to get on this on Sunday. Okay. Hello, I was and then release. Because I paid the outcome. That's what it was. That's why I never wrote this stuff.
Really good. Oh, I did.
And the whole like 223. So probably already counted. So I'm guessing that's why they did at least.
Let me and do it.
So here's the receiving.
He understands.
He's gonna press which one, which one. He was supposed to get released, but then the whole went to me, and then the judge realized that, can you go through that when you signed, then I'll just tell him. He's agreed, and so it's soon to be signed, so maybe you want to wait. Till-
I'm gonna wait until that is done. It's told us.
And then we just need the.
Yes.
What's what you find?
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
What matter?
I'm sure.
Let me ask.
It's great.
Nine paperwork, but he said that. He see the size. So normally I would do this, but because I already already put that. But they got assigned, so it's outside, I would come back. You need to turn on the survey.
I love it. I just loved it. I'm trying. Okay.
That can wait.
Okay, I was like, this is the first time I've come up for air.
Look, this one, I just want to confirm the enhancement and information, is it pretty true? Because I noticed the confidence is for the. Lead for enhancement.
It's just for jobs.
I couldn't really read the options that maybe include that in the last. The cameras are running out.
Right, I don't know why, I have that too. I understand that, and it's something here. And you are not seeing an enhancement if I were telling
No, no,
you.
no, the, well, pleading board doesn't specifically say that it's not being, like, troops or abandoned. But I can't read the enhancement to know if it needs to be. Because of the object being enhanced, that it's considered to be enhanced, and I'm just sort of looking. I don't know the system of that. I'm gonna listen to the element, so I'm gonna come back and find it. I think alone.
Okay, so I was kind of good. Change.
Well, that's sure. What's going on here?
I just want to make sure. The enhancement to be, or.
I mean, that maybe you brought it up.
Well, the way you split, you're right.
That's the problem.
Yes, and we need to be true to it, but.
Like if you did a second, sorry, like.
I could get in touch.
Okay, how long?
I'm just gonna language.
Yeah,
that's how long one shot is left.
Oh my gosh, I have too many.
Well, the lawyer makes it.
Oh, yeah.
What a doozy, huh?
Last night,
Yeah,
crazy. Approach.
yeah. You don't have to ask, Justin, just come. Stop. Hey, I'm live streaming, by the way.
You're what?
I'm live streaming,
Oh, you are?
so we'll talk him back.
You did? Okay, I'll talk to you. Yeah, I won't say this. It's a bad day, just.
Yeah.
Oh, God, we had to do deep.
Yeah. Okay, you have any, hold on, I still haven't found it.
It's, what disposition was in Florida, between well. Oh, I forget. The state provides us with-
Okay.
Carolyn,
Good morning, Judge. Judge, can you hear me?
hey, can you hit the button on soundbar, please? Give me a second, Carolyn, I can't hear you.
No, everyone was calling her name, I just wanted to. I wanted somebody else to feel that I feel.
That work? Tell me something.
Okay, Judge, I'm here for Fernando
No.
Garcia. It was set for bond.
One more
forfeiture.
time.
Judge, I'm here for Fernando Garcia.
His
It was
last
set-
name.
Garcia.
Okay, in jail or on bond?
Bond forfeiture. I don't know if he came to court today. It was set for bond forfeiture.
Is it, he's here and he is checked in.
Okay. We need to just get a reset for the offer. And then since he's there. Fernanda Garcia.
Okay. Fernando or come up.
I just need to make sure his number is still the same.
Say it again.
I just need to make sure that his contact number is still the same.
It is still the same.
3-4, okay.
Stop, don't say it online. Carolyn, don't say it online, please.
No, I was saying the 346 number.
Okay, we'll figure it out. Just, do you have an offer on these cases? Its last name is Garcia. Your case is old and it's time to decide what to do. You need to get in contact with your lawyer and I'm giving you 2 weeks to decide what you want to do. You must either accept a plea bargain agreement or we're going to set your case for trial. You understand?
Yes, I do.
So what I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you sign a reset with Victoria. She'll have the phone number for your lawyer on the reset. You need to reach out to her. She will also reach out to you. You guys need to get together between now and the next time and make a decision on what you want to do. Okay? Let me get you a date, Carolyn.
Okay,
2 weeks.
How's that, March 17th through the 19th?
the 17th is fine.
Okay.
Okay, all right, sir. Good luck.
And Judge, there is an offer on the case.
Okay. Thank you, please. All right, Carolyn, thanks.
Thank you, Your Honor. Bye.
Bye. Hey,
Very good.
Yeah, there was
So it looks like he.
Victoria, you want to start going through the list? Hey, good morning.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mostly. Okay.
He's a 5 days. I'm fine.
I'm just. See what it shows.
Check with the CW.
Yeah, and that's.
Good morning, Mr. Johnson. Good morning, sir. Sir, you were charged with burglary of a motor vehicle. You're facing up to a year in jail and or $4,000 fine. You have worked out an agreement. They're offering you 180 days in jail with credit for the 109 days that you have done. You need to understand that this charge will go on your record. It will be there for the rest of your life. This is also an enhanceable offense, meaning that if you continue to pick up these cases, one, either you will be shot dead because people like their guns and they like their cars, or number two, you'll be facing a felony charge, years instead of days. Do you understand? You are giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you are not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. Once you accept this agreement, you can never change this or undo this. Is this what you want to do? How do you plead to the offense, sir? I'm going to find you guilty and I'm going to follow the agreement, send it you to the 180 days in jail. I'll give you credit for the 109 days that you've done. In a year and a half, Mr. Johnson, you have picked up an attempted retaliation, interference, burglary of a motor vehicle, criminal mischief, assault, trespass, criminal mischief, assault, possession of a controlled substance, there's 10. Possession of a controlled substance, criminal trespass, terroristic threat, criminal trespass, resisting arrest, terroristic threat, there's 20. Interference, possession of a controlled substance, that is in a year and a half, 20 freaking cases. Is your mother proud of you? What have you done in this life that you could ever be proud of, Mr. Johnson? You were running prison, man. Running to prison. Good luck.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That we just included that the Fleischer program has to, if you can initial versus the state ordinance, and then sign the last page.
Hey, Kavita, you ready?
Two cases I need to reflect on, Judge. One is a plea on Tequila Winston. The other is filing appeals to your probation. And then motion to revoke his probation.
Okay, let's talk about Rimson first.
Okay. Jury box, I think training is first.
Hold on, no, hold on. Or come up, Miss Rimson.
We haven't seen our documentation.
I don't even know if so
I kept her yesterday and she was for something positive for chasing.
If you need it.
What are you thinking, stinking? On Miss Remsen?
So we're going through a year of probation, was 6 months probation for 1 year. He has to do his conditions, DWI education, anger management, rent doing interlock, referral. And we can use that process, which is on there as well.
Does she have any other priors other than just this one here? I'm not happy with this.
County conviction from 2018 judge. Outside of that, no.
She's on bond for a case, right?
Correct.
She's multiple failures to appear. She now has a bond violation for failure to appear again. She's continuing to test positive.
Yeah, she did tell me she stopped smoking, and when she came back from the test yesterday, she.
So she stopped smoking yesterday.
No, she went back that test yesterday. She told me that the line was very faint, so I'm sure that.
Because she's gonna know. You're going to jail.
Judge,
Oh,
she's a single mom and doesn't have the conditions to post bond. So.
she's a single mother. She's got an open case, picks up another case, fails to report 3 different times, and now she's testing positive for marijuana.
So she didn't come in yesterday, but there was, she had to show that her appearance was.
Yeah,
late. But when she got out of bond violation, her appearance was required, and I called her
We
yesterday.
reach out to every person who has a bond violation and let them know you have to come in so we can address this violation. She fails to appear. She has 2 failure to appears on the first case. Now she's testing positive. When do we say when? When is enough enough?
Third judge, are you not going to accept the plea? No. No, for the probation, or will you do it tomorrow after she sends it there? And
I don't know. All I know is that Ms. Remsen, what's the definition of insanity? Stop. What is the definition of insanity? What is the definition of insanity? No, it's continuing to do the same thing over and over and expecting different results. So when someone tells me sorry the first time, okay, great. When they tell me sorry again, come on, man, I told you. Say sorry the 3rd time. Dude, really? Now you say sorry a 4th time? What am I supposed to? No, nothing you say at this point dictates anything. Actions speak louder than words. And you should know this. You have kids yourself, allegedly. So you know how kids act. Sometimes we have adults here that are just like. She goes with you. You can tell her and then we'll talk. But like my dad used to say, I'm up to here. So I don't want you guys to talk here. Please.
Yeah.
Who's your second one?
Had to be good. And he's on bond jail. This is one where I think we've already spoken to Troy about his possible status. So we've always asked for a reset so I can have some time to talk to him. The new law violation is also still pending evidence and blood in that case. And he found it out before he did his arrest.
So where is he now?
He's in the audience.
Come up, Mr. Mayfield. Roxana, I need your help on this. Does he have a license to drive?
Yes, Your Honor, I can run it right now.
Well, regardless, don't want him, I don't want you driving at all. You will be signing an affidavit. Let me see if he signed an affidavit anyways. Your bonds are extremely high right now for misdemeanor purposes. You have 2 open DWIs. If you so much as do one thing incorrect in violation of these conditions, I'm telling you now, I'm going to go bananas on your bond. And when I do that, I usually add a couple zeros by the end. Do you understand me? When I say no driving, I don't give a rat's behind what you have to do. I don't care that you have to work. I don't care that you got to go get groceries. I don't care that Jesus needs a ride to church. You drive. I'm telling you, I can have a contempt hearing every time you drive. I can slap you with 180 days in jail and a $500 fine. Do you understand me? So, Roxana, does he have a scram now?
We gave them the interlock, scram, and GPS, but they're perfect from 7 p.m. to 7 a.m.
Great. Okay. So we're going to send him for a TRAS now because I'd like to know with regard to the probation, how to go forward. And then I guess we'll set it off a week and we'll see. Obviously, we'll give you time to work on the new DWI, but if you fail to report for a drug test, I'm just going to issue a warrant. I am like the other, I'm up to here, and I'm going to protect my community at all freaking costs. And if I have to make your bail $250,000, I'll do it in a freaking heartbeat. Do you understand me? Take a seat. Okay, so it's, I guess, a week and a half.
In regards to this, because she doesn't have anyone to pick up her kids when they get off school,
I don't know that for sure. I'm not going to take her word for it. I have to imagine.
what do we do with our fees? Because I need to know, if I need to renegotiate with the state, or if I will accept the fee of their dates. And if you're gonna skip on it for her. On a probation, she will get that check that you have to have in the law. Whatever condition you would like to add to the probation, if you will accept that, he's going to do it with you.
Mayfield?
What do you think?
And if we want to make the probation law for us.
I don't think that's enough. I don't think that we have been doing the same thing over and over. We're still dealing with the same thing where they're out on bond, continuing to do, I think that's something more intrusive has to be done so that she gets the picture, so we don't in a month and a half have a motion to revoke. And then they come back, oh, I've got my kids, I can't do this, I can't do that. And then, so we're back again. And then I want to avoid all that. We're already here too. She's failed to appear multiple times. She's still allegedly, I mean, how do we get through? Therein lies the question, because apparently.
Prior failure to appear, I know that when I got to the she was taken into custody because she picked up the DWI wrong bonds the terrorist threat. And then yesterday, he came in after the court closed back for about noon. So when I texted you, she went to her custody. So she stopped. So I'd like to be able to figure out how to use just how and the efficiency of like what's time and.
I'm gonna approach right now.
soon as you're done, as soon as they're done. I don't have to go for it.
I don't know. But I think that something more has to definitely happen. I don't think just probation in and of itself.
You want to have an IUPS?
Well, no, I mean, we need to first have it evaluated to see what, if anything, they recommend. My question is she still using? And if so, then, you know, time as a condition, maybe, you know, like what I would say is go through and then test in a week, because you're saying levels are really low. So I'll give her the benefit of the doubt, but if it's not true and if she's using, then I would say time as a condition. As you know,
Can you like let her out today for a week to drug test, and then if she's cleared, we'll do the thing?
I would say do it first. Or are you ready on the DWI? Have you done what you need to do?
We probably did to 1%.
Are you ready on the DWI? Have you done what you need to do? Have you looked at everything? Are you ready? You ready? There's no sense in delaying the inevitable. Just so we'll test in a week. If so, then, you know,
Okay. So,
if she's negative, then we'll just continue.
okay, if she's negative,
So we do it today, go through with it, and then as a sanction, you know, if she is,
She tested yesterday from where. So, do you want to test on Friday?
no, we'll give her a full week, a solid week. Yeah.
So in regards to her going in, coming out, getting to set, what is your?
Yeah, just, we'll do the plea today. I'll let her out. But if she continues to test positive, then she's, you know, time as a condition. Okay, do it.
Do you want me to let her sit back there for a little bit?
No, just get it done. And just, I'm not playing games with her. Just let her know. You know, we ordered you not to. You're on your second case now. There's got to be some kind of, you know, accountability in the event that you think that you can just continue. No. So if she's truly is negative, then well, she's on and just continue on. But if she continues to test, then
What do you think, 10 days?
no, 3. No, I mean, what's wrong? Vita, come on, man. It's like, what, the death penalty or something? Or what? The capital? Man. No, or yeah, I mean, just whatever you want, but just explain it to her, but yeah, you can let her.
Yeah, I've already told her.
And
I'll
just
explain to her.
let her know the conditions and then we'll have. Yeah, okay. For sure.
Hi, Judge.
Hey, what's up?
Good morning. May I approach?
Yes, but just give me the last name. Who do you have?
Trevino.
Kevin. Okay,
Judge, Bendigo has an MRI appointment on March 11th. He's a veteran and he's applying to get a disabled veteran. The only issue is right now, he has an ignition interlock device and he has a scram device. We would just ask if the scram device could be moved momentarily for 1 day so that he can get the MRI on March 11th.
do you have proof that he's getting an MRI?
Yes, we have an email if you need any more authentication.
No, I mean, I think that should be, please, have you,
I
what's
have
your
been
position?
in opposition.
Really?
Not normally, I would not be.
Okay,
I would request that we either do some kind of portable breath device. He should not be.
oh, we
driving.
already, oh, I see.
Yeah, he should not be driving, so his interlock should be, I hope, not going to use. His prior DWI, which was in 2024, was a 0.31. And this DWI was a 0.37. I do not think.
And he's got an FSRA.
I do not think he needs to be anywhere in Harris County unsupervised while he is on.
Your Honor.
And normally I would not argue that. This seems a very specific set.
If
I'm okay with what you're suggesting, but I think that she's certainly has
correct.
credence and what you said.
No, I
Yeah,
agree with her.
I'm not saying you shouldn't get the MRI. I'm just saying this is the person that we should be
When is the MRI set for?
March 11th. I don't think he's at any bond violation.
I don't care. I don't want any. And when you have it, you're likely to, but I'm okay with it, but I think that that's a great suggestion. So he'll have to have the portable for that day. And then right when he's done, he'll have to come back and switch it out back to the scram device.
Okay.
Yeah,
I think.
but I'm okay with that. So, but first, before we take the scram off, he has to have the portable device operational in hand. Then they'll take it off. They'll go do the MRI. And then the next day he comes back and it goes back to normal.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm okay with it. Did you hear that?
I don't believe he's there apparently. Does he need to come in to get the?
No, I'll waive the signature. He'll still, yeah, he still has to go to, I'll waive the signature since he's not here,
Okay.
but you'll have to explain to him the
You need to
details
switch devices basically.
for the day that
For
he
the day,
gets
right, and then you
correct.
get them swapped the next day.
Back to normal, correct?
Yes.
Yes, yeah.
Okay, yeah, I'll write the information. Thank you, Ron.
Of course.
And you're gonna email that stuff.
Yeah, I think you.
And number one, number two, you're now at 160 days. So it's time to start winding down to figure out what we're gonna do.
And
At 180 days is clear trial.
I conveyed an offer to defense, but I filed a motion to amend this morning, which I believe you've already handled.
Sure,
Just to upgrade it with the enhancement for over 0.15.
okay,
I am not gonna upload the offer into the file until I have all the paperwork filed with the clerk, because it won't show as a class A yet, but I have verbally.
I've signed it. Do you have it done yet?
I need the information.
He needs me to do something, and I have
Okay,
not had.
not
an
a problem. Do you need the
opportunity to do it.
NCIC or something?
I
Okay,
need to redo the
so
grading one.
by the time we're all said and done in 2 weeks, you'll have the offer. So just be ready to either accept or set up a trial. So we'll give
You're
you
on a
2
merits
to 3 weeks. Yeah.
So we barely received discovery today. That's been 6 months.
Well, then you need to come to me earlier then and let me know, hey, man, by the way, it's 160 days. We don't have anything. If I don't know, I can't put pressure on that. I can't wait till the last minute and then go, oh, by the way, we don't have, you have to come to me earlier and let me know. Because then I'm going to put pressure on them. If they don't have their stuff together, then I'm going to put them on a 10-day discovery hearing. If they don't have it, then nothing comes in.
Right.
I have to know these things.
Right.
I can't just wait till the last second. At 180 days, we're ready to just,
I just want to make sure that we're all in the loop though.
what did you get today?
The discovery, I don't even know what's.
Huh?
Yeah, there's that DICs, body worn cameras.
Okay, we guys DICs anyways, so
It looks
I'm
like
sure.
something was not, for some reason, they were not actually released. So I released them last night while I was screening the case.
Okay, what, is videos or what?
Yeah, everything, but body worn cameras, DICs, the blood reports.
Okay, I'll give you a month,
Okay.
but it's clear trial on the next day.
Okay,
Okay?
thank you, Your Honor.
So, but that's the last reset. Be ready to on that day. There'll
Is
be
that
an-
a trial?
To either set up a trial or he's got to take the deal on that day. You have 30 days.
38. Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah,
Hi.
Okay, so we did verify with the employer that he works 7 days. So do we just want to do from?
Did you see what day that ends?
What's it called? remember?
No, they're trying to.
Zero.
He's trying to verify.
I need to know what day it ends so we can put him right back on and take that kind of, because he's not gonna be like that. He's not gonna work like that for the next 6 months. Okay, great. It's there. It says he worked on that for 2 weeks. Even if 3 weeks. What day did he stop? So we can go back to the 707. Lucio, what's your last name only for your client?
It's off docket now, so that's why.
What's your call number?
260
Okay,
2939. And we've dealt with this before, times, but
I remember.
so what I'm trying to see is what you would take. Would he be able to do like a week in jail and be fine with that? Because I'm trying to settle the both cases.
Do you know what I really want? What I really, really want? A negative drug test. So here's what we'll do. Are you a betting man?
So here's, I completely understand you, right? But it make it a little complicated for people to understand, right? So on one end, you have where they give you a prescription by the state, and I know you say anybody can get it. I do agree with that, right? But then they say you can legally have that, but then
they get charged with possession of marijuana, right? It's very confusing to them.
What he's,
He has
what
PT.
his though, that's more than just mere, you know,
100%. So the felony, right, is actually more, it was five ounces instead of the under 4 and 50%. So that's how much it was for the felony case. And that is one where I have a pretty good motion to suppress and based on the officer's actions, right? I think they illegally searched his vehicle. And actually even with this one, I believe that they did not have probable cause to stop him either, right? But he's being harassed. But what I did do is I hooked him up with the hair center so that he could actually get other medication for his PTSD, right? He has PTSD.
that's what we were trying to say, you know, so.
So he has an appointment with my, I think this week, he has an appointment for the hair center, so that doesn't have to be taking marijuana and get a real prescription, not just marijuana for his PTSD. So, but I'm also trying to settle both cases so that.
What's appropriate considering, what do you think? What's reasonable in light of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and just, I mean, and that's just for these cases, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Besides these cases, he has actually gotten his life together, Judge. He has certifications and I understand these marijuana cases don't help the situation, but he hasn't been in serious trouble in a long time because he's certified in HVAC. He's a apprentice in apprentice electrician. He's trying. So it's not one of these loser people that has done nothing else, right? But he does have a mental issue that he was trying to medicate with, right? I told him I work, like I said.
The thing that kind of bothers me, and let me tell you, Mr. Montes, the thing that really bothers me is that anybody now can say that. Oh, man, I tripped and fell. I now have PTSD. I need to go get a weed card, and they can just pay $10 to a pill mill, and then they just. So I recognize and I appreciate PTSD, and I want to, but how do I know that it's true? How do I know that the person is true to what they're saying, that they really have documented issues that they can show me, hey, look, this is what has happened to me in my life. This is, where he's just.
And hence why I'm sending him to the hair center, right? Then he can get a diagnosis, right? I've led him the right way, and he is doing it, right? That's why you have an appointment at the hair center, so it's not.
I don't want to do anything with these until I know that we have a different route, because as the definition of insanity is, I'm not doing this again. I'm insane to take anything at this point because I know in 3 months, I mean, history dictates what's going to happen.
And exactly right. But if he's changing it, which, like I said, that's why I led him to the hair center. That's why
Great.
I want him to do that. So
show me the money. Show me.
You the diagnosis, and he's taking different medications.
And I want to test him so that I know he's not right. But the idea is that we put him on a different path.
And that's
so
exactly what I'm
this
trying to do.
doesn't happen again.
I'm with you. I understand what you're saying, and exactly what I'm trying to do is get him on the right path. He's on the right path career-wise. It's just this marijuana charges keep on coming up. But like I said, even
You don't fall down and pick up, you know what I mean? Right.
But these are the cases actually, and usually I understand that when clients are like, oh, sometimes I roll my eyes.
Let him know though, let him know that I'm going to test him at the appropriate time. So
Right.
that he's ready.
So he has to be there, and the last time he tested positive, right? So he has to have a little bit of time.
I will give you sufficient amount of time, and because of the nature here, I'm inclined to give more time, whether 75 or what, but we need to put them on the same, on a correct path, so we don't keep doing
I
what
agree.
we've done here.
And that's what I'm trying to do, I'm
Number-
actually trying to do that for him, so that he is put on a great
Okay.
path. Okay, so, okay,
You need time. We'll give
Yes.
you time.
yes.
I don't want to just plead guilty just to plead guilty, because that's the wrong thing to do. And that's obviously what we've been doing here for year after year after year after year.
Understood.
No more.
All right, yeah, I understand. Like I
Okay.
said, nobody, I guess nobody had really taken the time to put him on.
I'm with you.
like that.
I'm with you.
And
If
he
you
should.
need money, I'm happy to give you money, whatever you need.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Okay, okay, Lucy. Coming up, sir. Good morning. Yep, good morning, Mr. Balcom. Sir, you're charged with criminal trespass. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. You have worked out an agreement. They're offering you 15 days in jail with credit for the 16 days that you've done. You need to understand that this charge will go on your record. It will be there for the rest of your life. You are now, from now on, for any new cases that you pick up, you're facing a minimum of 30 days in jail. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
This can be used to enhance any kind of punishment so that you're looking at a 30-day minimum. You are giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You also give up the right to appeal. Once you accept this agreement, this will stay on your record forever. You understand?
I understand.
For future reference, when you come to court, good things happen. Do you understand? Don't say anything. I'm telling you, when you come to court, good things happen. All right? All right, good luck, sir. Or how do you plead? Guilty or not guilty? I'm gonna find you guilty. I'm gonna follow the agreement. Good luck to you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Hi, Stacy.
Morning, Judge.
Hi.
Sorry.
Stacy, can you move that forward? 15 for seconds. Okay, just the last name. Just Stacy, just the last name. Okay,
He's at the city case, Your Honor.
okay.
We were gonna do a plea, however, Mr. Tinoco has indicated that he's not guilty of this, and I think the appropriate steps would be to settle it.
Sure, absolutely. God, it's old. Have you evaled it for trial yet? Do you know, have they evaled it for trial?
I had spoken to the previous DAs on it, and one of the main issues is that the officers that detained him didn't have money by temps. Right, so they did look into that, they're not available, they're off-duty officers, and that's the main issue. There's a confusion between 50 people.
Do you want a couple days to eval
So
it?
we have an actual trial eval, like to evaluate it for trial. I do have a note that we don't have body worn cameras, so that would just be testimony that would go from there.
Do you want to set up for maybe today's Wednesday is Friday or Monday? What say you?
I would say early next week if possible.
Are you okay with it?
I'm okay with my date, Judge.
Okay,
He hasn't, that's also.
so can we set it and then just take a look at it as if it's going to trial and then just make the call, yay or nay?
I got it.
Okay, all right,
Thank you,
thanks.
Judge. Maybe.
Yes, ma'am. Counsel. Hi, just the last name, please.
I'm sorry, Brown.
Just the last name for your client.
Brown.
Brown, okay. In jail or on bond?
Sorry.
It's the last name, man.
I'm sorry, you know, Chinese, the first thing is in you.
Okay. Tell me about it.
Well, Judge, he's a serious minded individual, had an opportunity to speak to them. Judge, he's willing to take responsibility.
No. Is it working?
No, Judge, actually, there's a plea, Your Honor, that he wants to put forth. It's time served on in a day.
Oh, okay. You sure that's what you want to do? Yeah, it's, I think it's ready to go.
Oh, okay.
Are you sure?
That's what my client wants to do.
Okay. Mr. Brown, come up.
Fighting and arguing.
Are you sure you want to do this?
Yes, sir.
You know, this isn't Target where if you don't like it, you want to return it the next day. You know, life is hard as it is. When you start racking up convictions on your record, it just gets a whole hell of a lot harder. Not only that, this is an enhanceable offense. You ever pick up this kind of case again, you're now looking at a felony offense, years instead of days. Are you sure? You're giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You also give up the right to appeal. So this is a final conviction today. It never changes after today.
Yes, sir.
You're charged with evading arrest. A second evading arrest, it's a felony charge. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure you want to do this?
Yes, sir.
How do you plead to the offense? Guilty or not guilty? I'm going to find you guilty. I'll follow the agreement. I'm going to roll your court costs so you won't owe anything. Good luck to you, Mr. Brown. Thank you, counsel.
What is this?
Um,
How you doing?
Hey, I'm live streaming, by the way, so I'm live streaming, so just for what it's worth. It's okay, just well, the last name of your client, please.
Nelson.
Nelson. Okay, so what's Mr. Nelson doing now?
I'm doing for Amazon as a driver. I'm starting training this week.
Is that Mr. Nelson right there? Great job, man. Just keep it up, all right? No, you don't have to, just keep up the good work. Don't change, keep doing what you're doing. And don't hang around with the wrong people. Okay, I'll give you normal. Congrats. Great to see you. Okay, so those conditions go. I'd like to look every Monday to make sure that he's on the up and up. And then, yeah. Okay.
Well, I want to know that I'm doing it right too. And this, you understand that no one is trusting us. I need to see that all. That's the thing. It's usually Katie Wilson. I don't think it's taking you that way. Usually, I think Katie, I do this, that, and see. Yeah. No.
If we send a referral out, also to.
Brett, can you go from this?
That's what I thought. I was curious if she was on the board.
I'm gonna get to those information for someone. I don't know when that was, but I'm gonna hear.
And so she told that if the resident doesn't have it.
Oh, yeah, you want to- what are you doing?
What are you doing?
Right.
They're gonna say, why?
It's like a hospital.
We don't have a bed,
We're taking her phone call back. Yeah.
And slower.
Exactly.
So it all has to be set up.
Yeah.
Okay.
And or if you do have a bed. And then.
Bottom of 30.
Whenever not work.
Central Raymond Medical Care for fine.
2501.
I'll make sure that we drive. I've heard it explained that makes us.
Yeah. It is the thing, so,
Okay.
yeah, that's just how we try to track them.
That's good.
Make sure that
There's bottom of 23, Central Raymond Medical Care to bond posted.
Hey, the conditions on Mayfield, they're signed because he bonded out, right?
Yes.
So I don't wanna-
Before.
I know, but when you bond out, the bond conditions go away, so I want to make sure that they're signed and in place. Okay.
Oh, good. She called. Is it all?
Hey, knows what you want. So funny.
There's more people that call it.
No more. We don't need it. No, stop.
My clerk today was like, one thing I learned working with you, I was like, oh God. She said, I'm gonna, my first day as a lawyer, get a second cell phone. I was like, good luck.
Yeah,
I was
right.
like, your cell phone number is going to slowly permeate out into the world and there's nothing.
But that's what you want.
That's what I told her. I was like,
I
my
mean,
cell phone's
really.
ringing, that means
Come on.
yeah. But I said, really, that's the one thing you've learned here? At least tell me something good. All right, thanks.
Did you say Robinson?
Yes, Judge.
5,002.
Judge, we have one fugitive case that I'm, working on.
I guess just roll it.
And then top of 22 and, sorry, bottom of 22, top of 23. I don't know what's going on with that.
I don't know.
Oh, a possibility, Judge.
I guess let's finish the docket though. Anyone else?
No, Judge, that's it.
That's
That
it?
one is a fugitive case. That's it. So I'll email Jay and continue this.
What'd she say?
She said she's waiting for the state to refile the plea papers.
They didn't.
I refiled.
You tell her to come back, please.
Right.
So, I was writing, so if I want to do the thing that's on. Yes. I would offer it.
Yes.
My concern is that he probably would come back home, so I'm like. Yeah, I think that's part of the, that was the last one, he came back home. All right, let me know, and then we'll do that. Let me know.
Were you doing anything with Washington for this case?
Hmm?
On that, were you doing anything with Washington?
Did you get a PR on?
We did, we are going to do it on.
On who? Yeah.
You make sure you're on.
And I get flat tires.
We're not. No, I just told her I made the phone for stays to see.
Your name?
So I was.
Yeah.
This is great, almost it, yeah, actually, they'll all get. So I'm getting, she was staying on so I'm doing. And I'm like, I'm going to be. So it's just a little stand around. Okay.
Signed yesterday.
Oh, I think this is.
I picked up.
Oh, that.
Unsigned, it's like today.
Yes.
I love the double very sorry.
Have you done?
Great. Other times.
I'm going to take it one that we have. And it's on the top back. Oh, we're gonna do it then on the.
I understand.
can have you guys. So I think, I think how they're gonna reevaluate. Do you want to make it reevaluate? My thing is that I'm not. They call me. I think 2 or 3 people are applying for it, and we're not. Okay, well, this is. I'm the same person. I personally like the job Friday. I'm not in agreement with them because it's mental state. Yeah. Okay, so you're on the thing for the AR. I think we're on there.
Hey, Freeman sign.
Yes. Get food for warnings for thing for the police, so then you don't see. Actually, so then what areas? Find out if they have a waiver. What's the alternative way? Because you're going to be focusing on an area you would be. So it's not this way. Because his family is already growing. But it's complicated. I'm not doing this. I wouldn't even do one to myself, because they're having us.
So, I mean, I think we're done. We're just,
Can you do it from day to approach on suspension request and for instance.
who's the defense lawyer on for days? Oh,
So,
is Day no?
yes, okay. Because you're.
Hey, you coming? No. Oh, I don't know. I haven't seen him. I guess we'll wait a couple minutes. Okay, thanks. Bye-bye. Hi, Jamie. Come on up, guys. Hi. So is he on docket today or no? What's the last name? Got it. You need an extension?
Yes, sir.
Tell me about it.
So because of lack of personnel and resources, the demanding jurisdiction is requesting an extension for pickup March 9th. And so we've been in extensive communication. We've told them the standard, like, 2-3 day extension, and they're like, it's just impossible for them.
Well, it's 3 days. It's exactly 3 days, but the problem is it runs on a weekend. So the 3 days would be on a Saturday. Can they not get here during the weekend?
They say the 9th is the earliest.
All right. But we'll put the reset to the 10th. If they're not here Monday in the morning, I'm giving them a PR bond.
Yes, sir.
To stay on top of it, to make sure that they've actually picked them up Monday morning. If they're not here Monday morning to get him, I'm releasing.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay,
Thank you.
of course. All right. Kavita. Kavita.
Moses, come on up. Go ahead and sign for your waist cut. I think that's really good. Sean's, but I know you're returning standby earlier. You already reason that you're done. Just step inside and bring it up. Yeah, because that's on the turn. This morning. And this view is there, you have to make contact with them.
So. This. Yes, pretty close to the fracture. Okay. The one that you which one was that? Side? Was it round? You do a kind of so we all that on one. I spoke with David. Yes, this is true. No. The misdemeanor is on Tuesday, so I was asking that was the 139. Okay, but you yeah, okay, so you Yeah. I was talking about that.
Yes.
She never matched.
That's
So we have no waiver, no refusal, no nothing. We just sitting in custody. It was supposed to be done yesterday, but then we just never got focused on
This
it.
is right. So then this is. Oh, I didn't want to be why, but for our. It's just for a long period of time. I don't know. So I mean, it's no. So then just the one. This case. Okay, since December. That's why.
I just want to see you struggle with it today.
I mean, I'm gonna wait another 5 minutes, but I guess I'll roll to tomorrow.
For a little while, and then you move on. And come back. Let's go back a little. And then it's not. What was our? No, this was.
Oh, yeah.
So. But he wants help. And that's all he's even said. He's like, there's that one. And it's not, you know, I'm gonna send scanners to look at it. Yeah, I'm with you, Margaret. Okay. He's I'm not offended by the time works in jail. You're not having all that. I'm okay with it. My concern is actually before you start this. Yeah. He doesn't have
Just one.
Yeah. So really, at least y'all know it off the top. I'm saying. Very close. Usually it's better than when they have something for that. As a letter, contractors that have to do with the basis of the.
All right.
They will actually. And they have to. But in this case, he can see that.
Okay.
And if you're like incarcerated for too long, they lose their. So I think they did. So we played with that and that brings you. So here's what I'll say.
You wanted reverse? Yeah. Go in at 6:30.